Well, hello there, guys, and welcome back to another daily update by Ready Steady Crypto. So, I've been a bit quiet for a few days. I've had a couple of personal things going on, and I've also been working very hard behind the scenes to bring you guys some extra good content that's a lot better for the advanced side of things. But moving forward, I'm going to touch on what's happening with Bitcoin and the altcoins and where we can actually see price going for the rest of the week. Right now, we are underneath the $40,000 mark, so it's quite uncertain which way we are going to head. Me personally, I'm thinking we're probably due more downside action and probably round about the 36k mark, but we'll go through some analysis in a second and show you exactly what it is that I'm looking at and how I'm seeing the markets unfold. So jumping right in here with Bitcoin, you can see that we are still underneath the $40,000 mark. I have just taken out a little short position on this. I'm not really one for shorts. We are just $30 down in a minus here. We was kind of expecting this pump back to the upside, so I posted a trade inside the daily trades. This is where we posted it down here, and some people managed to catch along all the way back up to $40,000. You can see that we've been rejected at that point. Now, the reason we've probably been rejected at that point is more because of this reason here. So if you draw a downward trend line coming from the top of this high here to this low there, my guesstimation, if we do get a pump, we're going to come back up to 40,180 before getting another sharp rejection back down to the downside. We was kind of round up 39,200 a couple of hours ago. There is a lot of people expecting the markets to go up. I am still in a couple of my positions as well. This short position is just a small margin short position that I'm looking at because obviously I do still hold some current assets and I'm not selling them at this moment in time. But I'm thinking that we've got a lot of resistance happening here now round about at $39,000. You can see we've come up into this area multiple times before not even being rejected, but staying stagnant at this price. This would be probably what I'm looking at as a demand zone right now. So demand for this price is staying in and around this area, which to me, if we can't break this area here, we're going to be coming back down to the downside, back down to $36,000. To give this a bit of confirmation or confluence in the markets, we are heading bearish on side the MACD. The stochastic RSI is nearly overbought, and also the normal RSI is still floating neutral. So for this, we'd have to go to some higher time frames. So we're going to start off, we're going to go to the 4 hours. You can see that we are looking potentially bullish on all of the higher indicators, but for me, we've like 4, 8, 12, 16, 24. So for a full day, we've been trying to break the 39,300 mark, and we've just not been able to do that. So it's not looking like we've got a lot of volume in this market either. Let's have a look. So yeah, you can see that there's been a lot of selling volume as opposed to the buying volume. So once again, that's another reason why I'm looking more downside-ish. Altcoins have had a little bit of a resurgence the last couple of days. So we was talking about up only. We did get in this a little bit higher and sold this. This was originally in the altcoin challenge, but looks like it's bottomed out now. We turn on some more moving averages. We're looking at breaking the 55 EMA. Break the 55 EMA, then we're going to be back up to probably the 200, which will probably be somewhere up here. But a nice 25% pump on that for today. I'm just going to touch in on Opulus and anyone that is still following us on Opulus. So look, it's not been the best investment, I'll be honest. We actually did, it was back here when we originally invested in it, but due to Bitcoin's price action, a bit of decline in the market, some more unlocking of tokens from the seed phases has just seen price plummet. I was already staking this on a 30% APR via Qcoin. It took me 3 days to release my coins. In that 3 days that I've tried to release them, we saw this pump that I missed because my coins were locked up, and now I'm getting back out of my coins. I have been reading a couple of bullish articles. The markets aren't looking the best. I'm already weighing on this and quite a large percentage down from my initial investment. I was holding this till $7 or at least 3 or 4. So the rush for me to sell it right now isn't really there. I'm happy to just ride this position. They do have an NFT launching sale that's going to happen with Super Duper Kyle pretty soon. Given the way the markets are, I'm not sure how that's going to go, but I'll keep you updated, guys, and I'll make sure that you've got all the information on that when it comes closer to the time. So jumping in, I want to touch on ETH. ETH's actually below $3,000 right now, so it's just below our original investment point. We have... Look, if same again, probably could have gauged this we might get a kick back up to 3k. All depends. Like the right now, the traditional markets are suffering a lot. They had a 10% loss in, I think it was last week. Now this 10% loss on the traditional markets is absolutely massive over the course of a year. That would be classed as a very bad year. So the fact that it's happened in a shorter period of time does not look good. We've got a lot of people talking about the recession that's happening. We've got inflation data that's coming out. Things just aren't looking positive. The only positive thing that we can look at in the markets right now is Elon Musk buying Twitter. He's very, very pro crypto. So I was watching a live article with him on YouTube the other day by ARK Investments US. There was him, Jack Dorsey, and some other female that I've never seen before. But ultimately, they was talking on the pros and cons of future digital currency, what potentially the bad things are in the current monetary policy, so such as the banks and everything, and just basically calling them out on all the BS and how they're controlling the world, and also most of the top companies around the world, they're all in bed with everybody, and we know this, Big Pharma and everybody, so it is them against us right now. Us as retail traders aren't looking too good. The fact we've got Elon buying Twitter and he's very pro crypto, him and Jack Dorsey, is very good because it's going to be open to free speech. Crypto is going to be starting to get implemented more. I'm not sure how they're going to change the platform, but I'm looking at that as a very good sign. In crypto, we have the type of corrections all the time. You can go back to any launched crypto from date to now, or from start to now, and you can guarantee that during that life cycle there is 30 to 40% dips, even some 70 to 90% dips in there as well. These things have bounced back. It's taken quite a long time, but ultimately if you are in an investment for a short term or for a short pump and you're not doing your own research, that's more down to you guys. If you are investing in stuff, make sure that you do your own research, you know what you're investing in, and you're looking at the overall picture. Don't get bogged down by the psychological downside of dollar value. If you are a long holder, we can maximize a stock by trading this essentially with support and resistance. This is all something that we go through inside of our Discord, and we've got great content there to help you go through it. I am in the middle of just about to launch the advanced ebook, as well as some more fantastic little cheat sheets and things that are going to be quite better than anything out there on the market right now. So guys, short and sweet, that's how I'm looking at the market. I am currently in a short position on Bitcoin right now, which we will just check in for before the day closes. Let's see where we are on this. And look, I'm happy to be wrong on this position, but my gut feeling's telling me that, you know, it's just going to be a down day. We've not managed to break this 21 EMA in the last day. We've constantly been rejected by it. So the fact that people are bullish, is it going to go up? I'm not sure. I'd be keen to know your thoughts, guys. Please drop them inside the comment section. Please make sure you do also like and subscribe on our channel, and then that way you're notified of any videos that we do upload in future. So that said, guys, you know, have a happy week trading. Make sure you drop a comment on what it is that you think in the markets might do. Get inside the Discord and get involved. We've got both free and paid sections. That said, I'll be back tomorrow with another update, guys. So ciao for now.